I honestly don't even know if that's possible. If I'm not at work, I'm tired. Yeah, there's been days that I don't feel totally depleted, but then if I don't feel depleted, I have this little sense of like guilt that I should be working. It's hard for me to physically and honestly mentally rest.
Where does that pressure come from to feel like you always have to constantly be working rather than taking care of yourself as well?
Again, it's good, but it feels not too much, but it feels a little bit like you're trying to take them down the yellow brick road of like, well, if I kind of take them over here, then I think I could sell them.
Mm.
What's
Would it
an
be like,
what's
what's an example of that instead?
No, it's like, why don't you feel guilty for not taking care of yourself? Like, how much more obvious is that? I feel guilty that I'm not working. Why don't you feel guilty that you keep burning yourself out and hating your life?
Mm.
Does this make sense? Like, maybe it's just me, but I'm
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
like, why do we need to ask anything else? I
You're like,
feel guilty that I'm working all the time and burning myself out, which clearly isn't working, clearly isn't making me more money, and clearly makes me hate my life. So, what I'm curious about, Dr. Chloe, is where's the guilt that you're not enjoying your life? And therefore, maybe you should just do some nicer things for yourself. Where's that guilt? You see how, like, we are going right into the
Mhm.
fucking root cause of the problem. Oh yeah, that's crazy. Like, how do I not have guilt that I'm burning myself out? Now she's had that light bulb moment. I wouldn't do it yet, but to show you how quickly I could close the deal, I could say, so do you see how that guilt for the wrong things, instead of, I guess you could call it guilt for the right things, is kind of the root cause of this? Dr. Chloe says, yes. I say, so I'm curious, from what you've seen with Julian, do you feel like he could help you flip that the right way round so you actually feel self-love to take care of yourself rather than guilt to not take care of yourself? Yes, I do. Why? Why now? Like, I wouldn't do it because it's a little bit rushed, but if I fucking needed to, like, I could probably wrap this up in another 7 questions. Because all I did is get them to have that, holy shit, that's the root cause moment. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.